Hey everyone, and welcome back, or welcome if you're new to the channel. Today I'm doing a back to school, get it all done with me, a reset or restock items like snacks as well as clothing, swapping out all of the summer clothes. I'm also making some recipes and snack items to share for easy lunchbox ideas. So thank you so much for watching, and we will jump right into it. First things first, I needed to tackle my daughter's clothing rack. So as you can see, it's just a mess, but I kind of did this on purpose as I knew I was going to be swapping out her summer clothes for warmer clothing. So I kind of piled things here at the bottom over the last week or so, taking out all of the, dresses and tank tops. Unfortunately, it happens so fast. Ever since I can remember, once school starts, it's like immediate change in weather. So I am going to go ahead and take this opportunity to dust underneath it, clean it all up, and then swap out things that don't fit her anymore. I have partnered with Walmart in today's video, and everything that you see will be linked in the caption down below if you're interested. I got the cutest clothing items as well. She needed essentials like, socks and undies. I swear, I don't know where the sock monster lives in my house, but it is got to be somewhere because I cannot find any of her matching socks, which drive me insane. She's on a huge Stitch kick, I've mentioned before, so I grabbed this pack of Lilo and Stitch socks that are absolutely adorable, and I don't know if you're like this, but I need them to match. Sometimes, if we're busy in the morning, I'll deal with it, but it's something in my brain. I need them to match. I also grabbed her a few pairs of leggings. You cannot have enough leggings in my house. My daughter prefers them usually because they are comfy. I love the quality and the patterns of them as well. I grabbed this really cute Henley. I like the colors of it because I feel like it's more of a fall vibe, and also light enough weight to, be warm and not too hot in the school, but also be warm at recess. I went ahead and grabbed her some crew neck sweatshirts that are nice and fuzzy on the inside. She's obsessed with leopard print right now. I also got her a pink rainbow one that has glitter and sparkles, and then a staple denim jacket. This one is the Children's Place brand, and I like that it's a stretchy denim, so it's not too stiff. If your child has sensory issues or doesn't like jean jackets or jeans in general, this one is a good one. I also grabbed her this pink hoodie, and I love that it has that fuzzy, warm inside of it. I want one for myself that will keep her nice and cozy and warm. Just trying to come up with all of the staples. I love that Walmart has all of the staples, again, at affordable prices. How cute are these pajamas? I had these on her the other day in my Instagram stories, and you all thought they were adorable too. They are true to size. I feel like there's a little bit of room to grow in them, but they also come in several different colors and patterns. So of course they are linked in the caption down below, but I just love the versatility, and I feel like they're stepping up their game so much with fashion and styles. Once those were all stocked, I went ahead and lined up all of the things that I was sending Sydney to school with for her class. So we have tissues, hand sanitizer, some storage bags, as well as Clorox wipes her teacher did request, and so hopefully we'll keep things at bay from coming home. We also have, a pencil sharpener. This is a mechanical one. It was something that we've never had, and we have so many pencils and we go through them quickly. Of course, we need tape, and she loved her Simply Modern water bottle we got from Walmart the last time so much that she saw the leopard print one and had to have it. Of course, making sure we have our hand soap stocked, and I get the leftovers as always. It's just how it goes. I love this rose scented one from Mrs. Meyer's right now. So of course, going back to school, I wanted to make sure I had plenty of grab and go snacks that were easy additions to lunch boxes and things for my daughter. And I was under the impression that we were going to be a nut-free classroom, just talking with other parents who experienced it last year. But after filming this, I did find out we are allowed to have nuts in the classroom this year with some cleaning protocols. So I guess we're allowed to. Anyway, with that said, all of these snacks that I have stocked here are nut-free. So if you are nut-free, hopefully these would work for you. I have the Great Value brand of the freeze-dried fruits, some Made Good granola minis, some fruit cups, and the Harvest Snaps, as well as these Bear fruit crunchies. We have apples, coconuts, and banana chips as well. Again, all found from Walmart. So I love the versatility and the options to choose from. And then of course, I've been on a huge homemade kick as well, so I wanted to go ahead and prep some items for school lunches. I started out with making these mini chicken pot pie muffin tins, and not muffin tins, but out of muffin tins. I went an easy route. I'm using this bagged mixed frozen vegetables, as well as I love the bouillon seasoning, like the cubes, or you can get the powdered packet as well. I am using pre-made store-bought pie crust because I haven't perfected the pie crust thing just yet. So I went ahead and made our chicken pot pie filling, and then I cut out little shapes. These are very rustic looking. Okay, that's how you know I just made them from heart. They're not perfect looking, but they came out adorable. They taste delicious, most importantly, and will fit beautifully in my daughter's thermos. To bake these, I just followed the pie crust instructions, and once the pie crust was cooked, I took them out of the oven. So I kept a few for the refrigerator, and then I put the rest in a freezer bag to store as easy grab and go school lunches. Whenever my daughter's craving a chicken pot pie for school lunch, I guess I can grab and eat them while I'm working from home as well. The next item on my list was I wanted to try this sourdough discard crackers. All you do is have some sourdough discard, and then you can do olive oil or melted butter. I sprinkled it with everything but the bagel seasoning and spread it really thin on a cookie sheet, and baked this in the oven until everything was golden, just before golden and crispy, and stored them in an airtight container. And these make the easiest crackers that you can add to lunch boxes. My daughter wants me to try cheese ones next, so I think I'm going to do that. Next up, I wanted to make some homemade spinach wraps. Instead of buying them and spending all of my money there, I had the ingredients at home, so I wanted to go ahead and try this. I did find it on Pinterest, so I will leave that linked in the description box below as well. All you need for ingredients are spinach, flour, water, salt, and butter. I'm sure instead of butter, you can use oil if you needed to or wanted to, and pulse it all up. My daughter wanted to help. She's been helping so much in the kitchen whenever I make anything, and I just absolutely love it. I feel like, she's always been an adventurous eater, but I feel like she's even more adventurous now. And lately she's been telling me how good I cook, which, an ego boost. It makes me feel good, even if it's not like my recipe. It's just been so fulfilling to make things from scratch or with ingredients that are found already in my house, and I feel like I'm saving money already. So also these wraps came out so good. I ended up making them small so that they would fit in my daughter's lunchbox really well, but I want to make a larger batch next and cook them in a bigger pan and have them be, those big giant spinach wraps that you buy at the store. They're so good, and it made me so happy to know that I can make them at home with very simple ingredients. Also, let me know in the comments down below, how are you doing with your back to school? Are you in the thick of it? Have you been back to school for a month already? How did your first week go? We are doing well over here. I'm looking forward to a wonderful second grade year for my daughter in sports and all of the fun things to come. I know she's just gaining such great life experience. Thank you so much for watching this video. Everything I got from Walmart will be linked in the description box below if you are interested in any of the clothing items or school supplies, her water bottle, etc. It's all down below at great affordable prices. So thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll talk to you in the next one.